so deep, I closed my eyes and I just took off running. I turned around and saw the look on your face. So I stay.
Happy weekly vlog! Let's get started. Good morning. So it is currently Friday, January the 5th. And yesterday I posted my daily vlog, but you guys seem to have already voted that you want weekly vlogs. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna start on a Friday. We'll see how we like that. I smashed my iPhone screen yesterday on the parking lot floor, so I'm currently headed to Yorkdale to go get it fixed. So hopefully that won't take too long, but that means I get to do some shopping. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and I have just woken up. I slept in because I think I had a little bit too much wine, and so I'm just feeling a little bit extra bloated and extra tired. I'm going to be hopping into the shower now. I do really want to get a couple photos today because I am running low and it is like negative 30 degrees out today, and apparently you can't spend more than a couple minutes outside without getting burnt or freeze burnt. All right, so I just showered. I want to use my jade roller before I go out because you can see I am a little bit bloated still. All right, so I just put on like a t-shirt under a thin sweater. I am also wearing some new jeans I bought yesterday. I'm just putting on my jewelry now, so don't mind me as I'm ducking in and out of the frame. I'm heading over to my parents so that I can work with my brother on some accounting stuff. He is a registered, or he is an accountant, whatever you want to call it, so he can help me out with all that fun stuff. And then I am going to probably go straight to one of my best friend's house before we have dinner tonight at Lenya. It's one by Eaton Center. I think I've been there once a very long time ago, but I don't remember. And I also like got this new blouse that I wanted to wear tonight, but it is negative 30, so I kind of feel like I'm gonna be wearing a sweater, but who knows. All right, so here's my jade roller. I got this one on Amazon. When I showed it on my Instagram stories, a lot of you asked where I got it from, and I did link it in the Instagram stories then, but I'll link it again in this video. Usually I put like rose oil on my face and then roll this on until the jade gets warm again. I am wearing my new jacket. I don't know how warm it's gonna be against the negative 30 degrees, but I do have a lot of layers underneath and I'm not like going to be outside for too long. Hey guys, so it is Monday morning / almost afternoon. I woke up this morning with the absolute worst period cramps, so sorry if this is TMI for some of you watching, but I want to be real on my vlog so you guys can know really what's going on. I've been like suffering from really bad menstrual cramps all my life, but it's been a lot worse lately, and I usually have prescription painkillers, but I am out, so I'm just dealing with like regular ibuprofen now, and it is not the same. So I was lying in bed because horizontally is the only way that I could actually just not like puke, because that's how much it hurts. I am trying to sit up now to do some work. I'm gonna vlog a little bit now. I'm watching some New Girl on Netflix, which is so funny, so it's like try a little bit helping me feel better. It's helping me feel better a little bit. Alright guys, so I am finally ready to go grocery shopping. Travis went yesterday, but he obviously forgot a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna go again. I also did eat the rest of the baguette that we were supposed to have for dinner tonight, so I promised him I'd get a new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really also am out of red wine, so maybe we'll go to LCBO too. So let's get some grocery shopping done. Hopefully there is more stuff than there was yesterday, because Travis came and he said that there were basically no fresh produce. Like there were 2 green onions and that was it. Anyways, currently waiting for some bread. I ate all of the baguette that Travis bought yesterday, so I need to get a new one for him. And then I will see if any meat got on sale this week, and then get some fresh produce and some other random things like rubber gloves and dishwashing, because my hands are getting so dry. Yay, they have green onions. When your almond milk is on sale. I am downtown this morning. I don't know if you can hear me over the construction sound, but I am heading to a breakfast to celebrate the launch of this Australian beauty brand, Lanos. I am sliding because I'm not wearing the proper shoes for slush right now. Couldn't find parking, so I parked here. They said there was parking at the hotel, but I couldn't find it, so. Morning guys, so as you can see the sun is not up. It is currently 6:30. I've been up since 5:20 and it is Wednesday. I've been up so early because we got woken up by the fire alarm. Usually Trav is up already, but I usually sleep in a little bit longer. But the fire alarm went on for a good like 10-15 minutes, so I couldn't go back to sleep. I just did some work. I cleared out my SD card for the day so that I could vlog some more. I am actually on my way to my parents soon to pick up my mom and sister. I haven't asked my sister's permission about telling you what's going on right now, but I'm gonna ask her today. All right guys, I have just finished, slash not finished, but left my sister and mom at the hospital because they finished their first appointment. And while we're waiting for some results, I am going to meet with someone I've been trying to meet for a while. He is a photographer and I'm excited to maybe do some shooting. We are going to Jimmy's Coffee by Princess Margaret Hospital, and my sister said that I can totally tell you what's been going on, so I will tell you that when I get home. It's a little too private for public vlogging, but talk to you soon. So I'm here with Josh. He also has a YouTube channel. Is it under Josh Kobe?
It's under my full name, Joshua Kobayashi. It's really long, don't worry.
Okay, we will find a way to link it like right here and in the comments. But we have basically been shooting on top of a parking lot, which I totally forgot to vlog, but we'll show you again one day. The pictures are really cool, so they'll probably be up on my feed before this video's up. And now we're gonna shoot some more, so see you later. Okay, so as promised, I'm gonna do my shopping haul from last Friday, beginning of the vlog, and here we go. Alright, so this is where the vlog's gonna end. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.